Hi friends, welcome back to Quiz Be Pro. In this video, test your observation skills. Can you find the odd numbers and letters within given time? There are 45 puzzles between three difficult levels today. Let's start from simple question and easy level first. Anybody can find the odd number here. Brilliant start, you found very first try. Come on legend, where is the odd number? Wow, it's number 32, you are a star. Hi genius, can you spot the different letter? Nicely done, is the letter LK. Come on genius, can you catch the odd number? Spot on, is number 33 right here. Come on genius, which number is different from all the others? Yes, is number 34. Come on genius, can you spot the unusual letter hiding in here? Yes, the odd letter ML right here. Come on legend, which number is the odd one? Sharp eyes, here is the odd number. Hey, come on, which one is different? Is number 36, well done. Come on viewer, which letter does it match the others? That's right, is the letter NM. Can you find the odd number? Yes, is the number 37, well done. Hi viewer, can you see the different one? Yes, is right here, you got it. Anybody can spot the unique letter. Awesome, here is the unique letter. Hi legend, stay sharp, find the odd number.
Great job, here which you found. Hey, hey, spot the art among the mix of number. Yes, is right here, you got it. Hi viewer, can you find the art letter here? Incredible is the letter P-O. Hi viewer, try to find the art one out. That's great, here is the art number. Hi genius, test your brain. Sharp eyes, here it is. Come on genius, try this brain teaser. Yes, is the letter MRP, well done. Hi legend, test your first IQ level. You nailed, the art number is 134. Come on viewer, test your observation skills. Sharp eyes, here it is. Come on legend, try this focus test. That's it, the correct answer is BIN. Anybody can find the art number here. That's it, the correct answer is 136. Hi genius, try to spot the odd one out. Easy win, the answer is right here. Anybody can spot the odd letter here. Incredible is the letter YUO. Hey hey, find the odd number. Right here, that's the odd one. Excellent work. Come on genius, can you look at the odd one? Good job, that's the odd one. Well done. One character is different from the rest. Can you detect it? Amazing, it's here. There is our one emoji that stand apart. Can you spot it? Great eyes, the number 140 here. One number is different from the other. Can you detect it? That's it. The correct answer is here. Come on, genius. Can you spot the unique letter? Awesome. Here is the unique letter. Anybody can find the odd number within given time. Great eyes, the odd number is here. Are you genius? Find the odd number within 15 seconds. Right here, that's the odd one. Excellent work. Hi viewer, try these number and letter addition test. Sharp eyes, here it is. Hi genius, try to spot the odd one out. Easy win, the answer is right here. Look and see these number, find the odd one out. Great eyes, that one is different. Quick challenge, can you spot the different one? Awesome job, keep it up. Come on legend, can you identify the odd number here? Time's up, here is the correct answer. Hi viewer, spot the odd among the mix of number. Exactly, that's the odd one out. Come on viewers, which one is different? Great job, here which you found. Hey, come on, check your IQ level. Yes, is right here, you got it. Come on genius, try this focus test. Fantastic is the tricky one. Come on, genius, try this sharp brain teaser. Amazing, it's here. Come on, genius, test your observation skills. There it is, you found it. However, try to find the odd one out. That's great, here is the odd number. Last one for the round, try this number and letter addition test. Yes, this one is the different.